So are you thinking of applying to get your visa, or you're going for an interview for your visa to study whether in USA or any other country? My advice on getting visa as someone with much experience, what I've experienced because I've gone to get visa on many occasions. Number one thing you should utilize is to become calm. If your documents are complete, you should remember that no account would they refuse you from getting the visa. And you should remain calm and don't be tense. Don't act weird as if people getting so anxious. Sometimes you have to wait. Be patient, wait. Just that day alone, sacrifice that day that I'm doing nothing else apart from coming to the embassy. If you fix your dates, you understand. First of all, you apply for your I-20, your school will give you a letter, then you can apply for your visa application, then you apply for your visa dates, you understand? So after you've gotten the date fixed that very day, go very early in the morning. Hopefully you get there before they start so that you not come late, alright? But once you get there on time, remain calm. Go with all your documents. You don't know what they might ask, how the questions might go. You don't, and whatever questions you're answering, if you have a document to back it up, just bring out the document, show them this is it. For example, once you come in, they will talk, what's your name? Okay, they have your documents, they might see your name is this, you say yes. So you're going to this, yeah. What most times I don't even say much, they will just ask yes, 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 no, no. Sometimes you just answer them in just a few words. Don't need to get so anxious, don't need to get so tensed up, especially if you're a student. Then you know your visa is 99% chance ready. The only thing you have to do is just to be present for the interview, and the interview is not a rocket science where they will say you must do this, you must do no. Just hold your documents. If they ask you, did you graduate from here? Yes, sir. This is my certificate. Because they don't believe anything coming from your mouth. Let me tell you the truth. They just believe the documentation. And if your certificates, you have a certificate, you can attest it, like attestation. I don't know if you understand that. Getting it legally recognized, you understand. That is much more better and secured, because they don't there's a lot of liars coming to spoil the students' name. So they don't believe us anymore. What they just want is proof. All right, what is your date of birth? My date of birth, don't just say it. Here, sir, my certificate of birth. 20, 25, 30, depending on your age. Just show them. They'll be like, okay. We ask you, did you get admission from this school? Yes, sir. This is my admission letter. It's funny, but that is how to pass the interview, right? Because, okay, let's say you tell them yes, they will be looking at you. Do you have documents for it? Don't even let them ask for the documents, because it will make your interview more easier. Because if you don't let them ask much question, once they say yes, you bring out the document. Here, sir. Bring out the document. Here, sir. Bring out the document. He will not even want to ask much again. You understand? That is how to just pass it. But if you're not bringing out the document, they will say, do you have the document for it? You say yes, sir. Then you started looking for it. And please arrange your documents in order so that you will not be looking and messing things up there. They are so busy. You understand? They want you have the documents arranged. Alright, so if you can arrange them in a session, this is for the school, this is for this, make it more easier to locate things. Alright, please do that. So yes, sir, most people will tell you have to do this. You don't look at. Just my own point is calm your nerves. Alright, take it like you've gotten it, and you've gotten it. I don't know, I motivate a lot. Take it like you have gotten this visa, you're going for the visa, and you've gotten the visa. Highest they will say no, but I know you don't want them to say no. Don't worry. They will say yes for you, right? Just be bold, go there. Here, sir. Here, sir. Yes, sir. Sometimes some people will say they will ask you to bring this, bring that. Sometimes they might not ask for that. They might ask something else. And if you don't have those documents, that means you have to go with all your documents. Whether you, if you, some documents which you might not go with, it depends. If you don't have the document, then it's fine. You don't have it. But all the documents you have, you should go with them. Maybe they might ask something from there, and just give them proof. All right, that's my only suggestion and advice.